river valley. Sit in the kitchen and cry, run a finger through 70 years of living, wonder if all the wells I drilled gone dry. We was friends, me and that old man, like desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a train. From the time I could walk, he'd take me with him to a place called the Green Frog Cafe. There were old men with beer guts and dominoes, lying about their lives as they played. I was just a kid, they call his sidekick, like desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a train. He's a drifter, he's a driller, he's an old school man of the world. Taught me how to drive his car when he's too drunk to, and wink and give me money for the girls. Our lives was like an old-time western movie, like desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a train. One day I looked up, he's turning 80. Got brown tobacco stains all down his chin. To me he's one of those heroes of this country. The wise are dressed up like them old men. He's drinking beer, playing Moon and 42, like desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a train. The day before he died, I went to see him. I was grown and he was almost gone. We closed our eyes and we dreamed us up a kitchen, sang another verse of that old song. Come on, Jack, that some bitch is a-comin'. Desperados waiting for a train.